Ladies, new jewels arrived. Guys, one of my favorites, Corace Collection. Okay, this is what it looks like. Just wait. Green pouch, favorite color. Are you kidding me? The tennis necklaces. Oh, it is gonna get good. Oh my God. This is a Cuban. Oh, a sparkly Cuban? What? Kind of a little gold choker. I think I did 2 of these so that I can make it long. Well, maybe not. Did I not? The tennis bracelets. And the choker, C, the initial. Let's put it on. We gotta stack it. We have to. I'm gonna have to do all my stacks again. Obsessed. Doing this one. Okay, it goes like that. Obsessed. Yes, we're putting everything on. We need to see it. I mean, just so you guys can see what this looks like on. I thought I ordered 2 of these because I wanted to make it long so it goes around, but I may be wrong. Okay, and then we've got, did I order too big? I don't know why this one's so big. I wish that was smaller. I must have made a mistake ordering that, or maybe it was the only size they had. Okay. What I love about Corace Collection is they have the small sizes for your wrist. And they have the short chains, so you know it's gonna fit. This one's a little bit big. Maybe I'll give that one to my mom. Okay, I'm obsessed. Look at this stack. Corace Collection, if you want incredible pieces that are sparkly and fun at great prices, check them out.